Today I want to show you how to capture your computer screen, uh, capturing the full screen or part of the screen or active windows. So for this, I show you something. If I click Control Y here, yeah, it make a screenshot, and if I press Control Fn and print screen, yeah, X can choose any location, or we can add some kind of arrows or some step here, and also text box can type, and here we can change font, and we can change font size and font color, anything we want, just like this. And we can move and we can add other things, just square, soccer. So it has many things, just text highlighting. After that we can capture the screen, yeah, just like that. Now we have this screen here. So if you want to do like this, firstly you must go to sharex.com/downloads. Here you can download ShareX. It's a free and open source screen capturing software for Windows, but unfortunately it can be available for Mac, only for Windows. And you can download here the latest version. So press it, and it would lead to GitHub link, and you can download here setup.exe. This is the setup file for ShareX. I already downloaded it, and let's install it. Yes. Okay. I need to exit because I already installed ShareX and ran it, so I exit the ShareX and run it. I accept the agreement. Next. Everything's okay. Install. Very simple. Okay, launch ShareX. Click check this mark and finish, and it will launch ShareX window. Okay, this is a ShareX window, and here you can change your hotkey setting. For me, for capture entire screen, I give a Control Y. Capture region, I give Control print screen. Capture edit window, I give Ultra print screen. So you can give any shortcut key you want here, and you can capture window, a screenshot window, anything you like. Is have a lot of functions, and you can upload to any to cloud storage website. There's many functions that you can find yourself in this Shake software. So that's it. That's how to capture your screen properly. Any perks, and adding any kind of arrows, steps, square, highlighting, text box. So that's it. And okay, to enjoy shakes yourself. Thank you.